Welcome to Sunday, the 10th of September, on the day on which my mummy was born. Hi, hello, how are you? I realised that I haven't talked to the camera in like a couple of days, so I said weird. Today's been quite busy. We went shopping. Actually, the last couple of days have been quite busy for me. We went shopping this morning, got mummy some birthday presents, and then we came home and it's just been raining non-stop. It's just stopped, which is nice, and I am all cozy in my favourite cardi and my favourite stripy top. I would show you what I had on earlier on today, but yeah. I filmed a couple clips before, which you probably would have already seen because you're watching this, but I didn't actually talk to the camera, so I thought I would say hi, hello, how's it going. This is probably going to be a 2-day vlog. I'll vlog tomorrow. I won't do what I ate. I will do a other part of this vlog. So yeah, it's been a busy couple of days. Very busy couple of days, very family oriented busy couple of days, and now we're back. Hello, good afternoon, because it's definitely afternoon and not the morning. I've just had my lunch, as you probably have seen. We had a cheeky little KFC. The only thing that's really disappointing about KFC is that it's Pepsi and not Coke. Well, it is Coke, but not Coca-Cola. Do you have to? Please don't. Please don't. Caught red-handed there. Stop it. The animals in my house are backward. Anyway, we are ironically getting ready to paint this wall in a shade called Light Rain. Yeah, that's ironic, if I did say so myself. It has been super. Look at that bag of food. Ben, stop it. Such an attention-seeking bird. So it's been super stormy, well, all night actually, and it's just not stopped. It's about 5 to 1 and we are still raining, and it just keeps switching between light rain, Ben, between light rain and just super like lashing it down is the only word I can describe it. So yeah, just had my lunch and I'm in my first jumper of the year. That's good, nice and cozy. The only thing I don't really like, I mean I love the jumper in itself, is the neck. I mean I could always roll it up, like roll it, but might take some getting used to because I'm not really a fan of having things on my neck. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna sing some songs and tidy up a little bit because, oh, look at those flowers. Those flowers are cute. Because it's a bit of a mess in this place, and the living room is 10 times worse. Birthday, my mum got lots of flowers. Like her favourite flower is lilies. So everybody seems to have had the same idea of buying her flowers, and mainly lilies. And this one doesn't have a home. There's literally no place to put it. I mean, I've tried it there, tried it there, tried it like moving the Buddha's head and having it there. I've tried it in the living room, and there's already like, I'll show you in a minute, like 4 or 5 vases full of flowers. And also, how freaking cute is this bowl? Like, how amazing is that bowl? Reminds me of something from The Great Gatsby. Very like art deco. Very cute. Anyway, I mean, at least we know there's not a shortage on flowers. Like, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, including the one in there. Like, there's no room for any of these flowers. I mean, these lilies are like pretty fantastic, and I like the fuchsia pink colour of them, but there's like nowhere to put them. They're all her cards, by the way. Hello. But yeah, first world problems. Where to put all these freaking flowers? I need help. Look at this little bean. Let me in. Let me in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, now the sun's out. Now you don't want to come back in. Are you coming? Come on. Come on. The first time it's not been raining all day.